2024 financial markets. What's going to happen? So many predictions. We don't even know what's going to happen. So, thanks for joining and welcome to Truth Media, where we share expert knowledge, uncover new and trending developments, and give you uncensored news so you can make your own informed decisions. So, 2024 finances, markets, the economy, what's going to happen? Let's dive right into it. Just to give a quick recap, 2023, what even happened? 2023 was a time of speculated recession, but one that didn't actually happen. From an article from CNBC, a soft landing appears to be the greatest likelihood for the next year. However, the economy isn't out of the woods just yet, and a mild and short recession can't totally be ruled out. Mark Hamrick, senior economic analyst at Bankrate. The reason why I'm addressing America specifically is because it still currently holds, the world's reserve currency. So if America goes down, we all go down. It has a direct impact. We seem to be thinking, oh, things are going to be okay. Oh, Wall Street said there might be a soft landing. Oh, this, oh, that, right? And the fears of a recession, quote unquote, are over. But there may actually be something even more scary, which is what is called a reverse market crash. So a reverse market crash is the combination of two factors. One is a decrease in interest rates, which means there's also probability to print more money. More money in circulation, decrease in interest rates can be a boom in the market. But a boom in the market is only good for the rich. So the people who own the stocks, the corporations, for the average person whose average job, average salary is remaining the same, it means if there's more money in circulation and let's say a car company is charging 30,000 for a car. Now there's more money, so they're charging 40,000 for the car, but you are still the same employee who's earning maybe the same amount, maybe just $1 more raise or $10, whatever it is. So it's gonna be, it will be bad for us, the consumers, us who are buying the things, right? And this is one of the biggest things where basically the middle class will get smaller and smaller and smaller until it doesn't exist, because everyone is barely having the money to pay the basics: rent, food, phone bill, electricity, and so on and so forth. So that is what they're also predicting. This is coming from PBD, Patrick Bet David, as well. He was strongly, discussing that there's a possibility of a reverse market crash as well. So, what you're sitting here, you're like, maybe I'm about to graduate, or maybe I've been holding on to a good job, or maybe I was looking to be an entrepreneur and like now I don't really know what I should do. Like, what should we do, and what should you not do in 2024? Number one, spend like crazy even if you are making money, because you don't even know the next day or the day after how much value that money is worth. You don't know what the situation where the situation is gonna go. So I would recommend kind of being more moderate on the spending. And if you are to not even spend but utilize your money, I would invest it in assets, right? Because if you're spending that money, the money is going, it's just poof, it's disappearing. But even if you're investing and things are going up and down, the money is still there. It's going up and down, but there's money in there, right? Instead of partying and drinking, and those are liabilities. Those are even domino effect liabilities, because they affect multiple parts of your life, right? Your health, your brain, your mindset, your thinking, everything. So what should you not do? Number one, spend like crazy. Number two, choose the wrong enemy. Do not choose the wrong enemy. So in these times, and I 100% know this, what some people are gonna do is, everything happened, what do we do? Fear. If you choose fear to be your enemy, you have the second ability this time since COVID to be controlled. What do we do? okay, I should do this, right? No, your enemy should not be fear. Your enemy should be staying misinformed, staying ignorant, right? Because if you have the knowledge, if you know what's going on, you actually feel confident. You actually feel more brave and you can capitalize, right? Don't choose the government as your enemy, right? Even though whatever may happen, it's not, oh, this is their fault, and no, you're again choosing to focus on the wrong things. 2024 has the biggest potential to be some of the most life transformative, times in terms of your finances, in terms of you actually building, strong finances this year. And the last one, this is for the business owners, the people who actually have a lot of money, is what I would not do is hold large amounts of inflating money and being afraid, right? Being afraid. You get to a point where you save a certain amount, but don't save all your money, right? Because that money is actually losing value day by day. I would recommend, and actually, but this is not financial advice. What I would do is I would take them extra money and invest that maybe in gold, right? Non depreciating assets. That I think that would be much better. I think there's some most, kind of, and again, I am not a I don't take this as financial advice. There's a lot of stuff going on with crypto and a lot to come with all that. But as you know, that's very volatile. That's for select few people who really feel like they can handle the risk. But yeah, just to summarize, 2024, we're looking at two possible scenarios. Number one, a reverse market crash where the economy balloons and the rich get richer and the middle class may cease to exist. Scenario number two is this whole soft landing thing doesn't really pan out and we finally see our economy give, right? It's been trying to hold on and boom, everything plummets. And yeah, unemployment, everything goes down, and we basically have to recreate a new world economy. So, looking at those 2 points, yeah, we're all in it together. We're all connected, even financially. So, I do wish you guys all the best going into 2024. Take it easy.